Hello friends, welcome to Selenium Automation Testing channel. So today I am going to explain about how to handle dropdown in Selenium, how to select option from the dropdown. So here I'm going to click the dropdown and select the value. This is the functionality I'm going to handle in Selenium. So to handle it, uh, first we need to click the dropdown and write the XPath. I have written the XPath for this drop down. Next step, first step, we need to write the XPath for drop down. Next step, I'm going to create a select class to handle drop down in Selenium. So if we click and inspect in HTML tag, here we have a drop down. It starts from the select class. So through select class, here we have select class. So currently I am telling the approach to handle the select class tag elements. If I click the drop down, here I have values like USA, Canada, Germany, France, Brazil. If I click the drop down, these are the values written in the HTML tag. It is in select class, in selected tag. So in next step, I'm going to create an object for the select class. Creating. Creating object for select class. So here we have a constructor. I need to pass the web element. I'm passing the web element drop down. So whatever XPath written to handle the to click the drop down, that one I'm passing. So this is the XPath I have written. So this is the drop down. It is in highlighting. In next step, through select class object reference, calling the methods. So when I call sc dot, these are the methods. If you open the Selenium documents, in Selenium documents, uh, they have provided the methods for select class. You can see the constructors, and these are the methods for select class. Select by index, select by value, select by visual text. These are the methods currently I'm using. These are methods I'm going to use. Select by visual text. So in the drop down, I need to click the Germany. So here I'm going to write down the Germany text value. So I have written the Germany because I need to handle the Germany. In the drop down, I need to handle Germany. So that value I am entering the text. In the select class, in the select tag, these are the values written. You can see that option value and these are the text. This one I have written. Now I'm going to execute the script. So browser launch. So this is the dedicated browser Chrome has used for testing purpose. It has selected Germany. Now I'm closing the browser. Now I'm writing another method. Select by through select class object reference. I'm calling the methods. You can see that select by index value. So according to my purpose, I'm using these methods. Now I'm going to use select by value method. Here, if you click the drop down in select in select tag, in the select tag, these are the values I have: USA, Canada, UK, Germany. Now I'm going to select France. You can see that they have given the attribute value. So here I'm passing those values. Now I'm running the script. So browser launch. It maximize. Now it will select the value in the drop down. So I will give thread dot sleep. So again I will run the script. Browser launch. In next step it will maximize. Now it will select the drop down. So value selected. So my test case pass. Next step I'm going to use another method. Through select class object reference, I'm going to take a index. So through select class object reference, I'm calling the methods. These are the three methods. So here, this is the text. These are the values. If I go to index like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in this way index were there. So now I have written 3. It will select the UK value. If I click the drop down, UK has to select. To select the UK, I'm using index approach. Now I'm running the script. Browser launch. This is the dedicated browser. We use it for testing purpose. So here I have done some mistake. So index I have to use select by sc dot select by value I have to use. Select by index I am going to use. Index I will give 3. It is an integer. That's why I'm given 3 value. Now I will run the script. It will select in the dropdown UK. So browser launch. So in dropdown it has selected the value like Germany. So this method also executed. So suppose I want to uh, select by visual text. Suppose I want to handle another country. I will choose like select by text. So in the drop down we have values, right? Uh, so these are the different countries I have. Like now I'm going to select the France. So I will write down the France. In next time I want to handle the drop down. In drop down I need to select the another country. I'm writing in this way like Japan you can take. So whenever I want to handle the drop down, I'm writing the code. Length of the code increasing. Instead of writing the multiple times, I will write down one generic method. It will reduce the length of the code. Writing to handle drop down. So I'm writing like I'm taking static method, public static void. I'm taking return type. Here I'm passing in argument web element as in data type. I'm taking string. Now I will write down select class. So this method will accept two values. One is element, another one is value. Now I'm creating object for select class. It will accept element as an argument. So I'm writing once again the method public static. So this method will accept two arguments. element and value, it will accept two values. I'm creating object for select class. So it is taking element as an argument. Through object reference, I'm taking the methods. Here I'm passing value. So now this is a static method. I will call the class name dot method name. So I will call down like dropdown dot. So this is a static method I'm calling through class name dot method name. So here I need to pass the element as an argument. Here I'm passing the dropdown XPath I'm giving. This is the XPath to handle click the dropdown. In value I'm passing like Germany. Now I'm executing the method. So I'm executing the method browser launch. This is dedicated browser. Use it for testing purpose. So it selected Germany. So this method executed test case pass. So this is the way to write down the generic method and it will executed. So this is the generic method to write down. By using this method, length of the code will be reduced. So thanks for watching the video.